New York Fashion Week is a semi-annual event where top fashion designers showcase their latest collections on the runway. It takes place in February and September, and is considered one of the major fashion events in the world. The event is organized by the Council of Fashion Designers of America, CFDA, and is held at various locations in New York City, including Spring Studios and Skylight Clarkson Square. Fashion Week typically lasts for 7 to 8 days, with each day featuring multiple runway shows and presentations from different designers. The event attracts a wide range of fashion industry professionals, including buyers, editors, celebrities, and influencers. In addition to the runway shows, there are also various other events and parties that take place during Fashion Week, such as store openings, product launches, and after-parties. New York Fashion Week is one of the big four fashion events, along with London, Milan, and Paris Fashion Weeks. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, some aspects of New York Fashion Week have been adapted to virtual or hybrid formats in recent seasons, with some shows being live-streamed and others featuring smaller, socially distanced audiences. New York Fashion Week, celebrity sightings, and more highlights from the Fall-Winter 2023 shows New York Fashion Week faces its fears. While some designers seem to laugh in the face of uncertainty as they got weird with animals, fairies, and food, others tapped the beauty of the everyday. At the start of New York Fashion Week, CFDA Chairman Tom Brown opened a letter to members on a positive note. "This is our Super Bowl. The only difference is that we aren't competing against each other. We are all supporting each other to create work that inspires." But even an optimist like Brown sees storm clouds, concluding his message, "Currently I am scared. I am with all of you in spirit. I am sending you the best of luck."